Feeling overwhelmed by the agency chaos and struggling to find your zen? Today, we're diving into how Asana can be your secret weapon for agency life, turning that daily scramble into a smooth, well-orchestrated symphony. First, create a new project in Asana. Name it something relevant like agency operations or client management. Then, break down your agency's core functions into sections like client onboarding, project delivery, marketing, and team management. Under each section, add specific tasks. For example, under client onboarding, you might have tasks like initial client meeting, contract signing, and project kickoff. Be as detailed as possible, breaking down each task into smaller, manageable steps. Now, for each task, assign a team member, set a clear due date, and add a detailed description. Don't forget to use subtasks to further break down larger tasks into smaller components. This ensures everyone knows exactly what they're responsible for and when it's due. Utilize Asana's timeline view to visualize your project schedule. This will help you identify potential bottlenecks and ensure projects stay on track. You can easily drag and drop tasks to adjust deadlines and dependencies. Finally, leverage Asana's reporting features to track progress and identify areas for improvement. Monitor task completion rates, identify potential roadblocks, and gain insights into team performance. This data-driven approach allows you to make informed decisions and optimize your agency's operations. Now go enjoy your well-deserved zen.